Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys Silicone Douche. So let's get started. So this is the silicone douche itself. Now, the silicone anal douche is indispensable in the nightstand of every lover of anal sex. The douche clears the anus on the inside and provides a clean, fresh and confident feeling before use. The intimate douche is made of a soft silicone for maximum comfort during use. It's also flexible and feels very comfortable on the skin as well. To use, simply unscrew as shown. Fill the bottom part with lukewarm water only. Once it's filled up, simply screw back on, very gently not to spill any water, and make sure it's nice and tight so no water can escape. We'd recommend to apply a small amount of water-based lubricant at the top here, so it's easy when it's inserted. You can also apply a water-based anal lubricant as well. Insert the douche and squeeze the bottom part. Simply repeat this process a couple of times until the anus is completely clean. And if you want to use the intimate douche both anally and vaginally, always clean both the inside and outside very well with lukewarm water and toy cleaner to minimise any harmful bacteria. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Easy Toys Silicone Douche. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.